What if I told you Ghanaian banks are getting ready to power Africa's next boom, and you, as a young investor, could ride that wave early? Let's break down what's coming from Access Bank and why you should care. What's Access Bank saying? At the Bloomberg Africa Summit, Access Bank's boss, Roosevelt Ogbonna, painted a big picture. Africa isn't just for importing goods anymore, it's aiming to become a global hub for trade, innovation, and production. He argued that despite all the negative stories about Africa, markets, investors are smarter than the hype. When you see transparency, good governance, and real reforms, capital responds positively. For Access Bank, that means they want to offer full-spectrum banking services, not just regular savings or loans, but support for small businesses, SMEs, large companies, big infrastructure projects, digital banking, renewable energy ventures, and cross-border trade across Africa. With many Western banks shrinking their footprint in Africa, African banks like Access Bank see their chance, using deep local knowledge and a Pan-African network to fill the gap. Why this vision matters for you as a beginner investor? If Access Bank executes this plan, banks with Pan-African reach and diversified services could grow fast, which means share prices might rise and dividends could increase. As African economies expand, industry, trade, digital services getting in early, while things are just starting, could pay off big in the long run. Banking, finance, trade, and infrastructure lead to multiple revenue streams, less risk than depending on one product or sector. You don't need to be rich, even small investments now, if patient, could gain value as the bank expands across Africa. When bank leadership talks about global standards, transparency, and expansion, it builds trust. That matters for you and other investors. Watch out. Not everything is guaranteed. The vision is big, but execution matters more. Reforms, management, market conditions, and macroeconomic stability must all hold. Africa's economies face high inflation, currency volatility, regulatory risk, which can affect profits. For investors, this is more of a long-term play, not get rich quick. Patience and understanding risk are key. As always, diversify, don't put all money into one bank or stock. Spread risk. Keep an eye on upcoming reports from Access Bank earnings, expansion moves, digital banking growth, trade finance activities. Consider putting a small amount into banking stocks, especially banks like Access that have a Pan-Africa strategy. Monitor macroeconomic signals in Ghana and across Africa, currency strength, inflation, trade relations because they affect banks. Think long-term 3 to 5 years, or even 5 to 10. Banking growth and continental expansion takes time. Stay updated on broader African banking reforms because success depends on how well policies support growth. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research, check current data, and consider speaking to a licensed financial advisor before investing. If you were investing in banking stocks now, would you pick Access Bank? Comment Access in the comment section below. Which part of their vision excites you? Pan-Africa growth, digital banking, trade finance, or something else? Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more investment tips from the nerds.